guys, who knows this one? Oh, won't you stay with me? Come on, clap, people. 'Cause you're all I need. Let's go! Same love is clear to see, but darling, stay with me. One more time, let's go! Oh, won't you? 'Cause you're all I need. This ain't love, it's clear to see, yeah. But darling, alright, I got a bit for you guys. Sing with me. Whoa, your turn, people. Terrible. One more time, guys. Whoa, whoa. Don't worry, guys. It's Saturday. 2 more days till Monday. You guys scream this out. Let's go. One more time. Come on. Whoa. Beautiful, guys. Won't you stay with me? 'Cause you're... You guys are amazing. One more time, guys. This ain't love, it's clear to see. Won't you stay? Thank you so much, guys. Okay, one more song. I want to say, yes, you are my brother. It's not my brother, but we're just saying that. Right, guys, I want to say thank you so much for listening. This is my full-time job, guys. If I've made you happy, please make a donation and support art, guys. This is how I make a living, and this is how I pay for my expensive lunches and dinners. He's a vandalist, be careful of him. But seriously, guys, I want you to all sing with me for the final song, and thank you so much for listening. This is awesome. I love what I do, and I hope you guys have had a really nice time. I'm not taking you camping, that's for sure. Right, so guys, you ready to sing? Say yeah? Say hell yeah. Say Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful day. Okay, we'll just do this because Ewan keeps giving me money, basically. But here we go. Okay, guys, can everyone just get a little bit closer for this? Come in a few steps, come on. Put your hands in the air, guys. Let's get this going, alright. Come on. Today, gotta be the day that I'm gonna first to you. By now, you should have somehow realized what you gotta do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. Backbeat, the word is on the street that you're firing your body down. I'm sure you've heard me know before that you never really had a doubt. 'Cause I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. And all the roads you had to walk are winding. Left side, give me some love. And all the lights that lead us there are blinding. Come on! There are many things that I like to say. Okay, guys, it goes 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Say, maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. Backbeat, the word is in the street that you're firing your heart is out. I'm sure you've heard it all before, but you never really had a doubt. 'Cause I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. ways to lead us there, we're blinded. There are many things that I would like to say to you, but I don't know how. Okay, Leicester Square, let's take the roof off the sky. It goes 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, let's go! So maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my wonder. So guys, from the bottom of my heart, I want to say a huge thank you for listening. You guys have been amazing. I have one more request, guys. Can everyone please take off all of their clothes? That's a joke, I'm joking. The last request is this. Here we go. Sing this back to me as loud as you can. It goes, you're my wonder. You guys. You're my wonder. Just that. You're my wonder. Left side. You're my wonder, come on. You're my wonder. You're my wonder. You're my wonder. I said maybe, come on. Come on, people. This is you. Sing it now, come on. You're my okay, guys, as loud as we can go. Let's scream this out. Let's go. I said maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my wonder. Thank you so much, guys. Have a beautiful evening. I have an electronic card for you guys. If people don't have cash, if they want to support, it would really mean the world to me. I have some CDs. I've got 20 CDs left. They're £10 each. And that's the best way to support me. Have a beautiful evening. If you don't have any cash and have some business cards, please keep in touch. Come and say hi and have an amazing evening. There's some amazing entertainment coming up.
Otherwise, if they had that, I'd just buy that.